to the tight end, but Florida in great position to make the play.
Once they took Leonard Fournette out, the offense stalled, and now they got to settle for 3. This guy hasn't missed yet. This will be a 33-yard attempt for Domingue, and it's a fake. The throw to Domingue. He bobbles it, and now he heads to the end zone. Touchdown! We've seen Les Miles do that before. It was picture perfect.
We've seen him do it before against these same Florida Gators. Brad Craigthorpe was the holder, a backup quarterback, and he made the play.
Extra point if he's not too excited goes through as well. Give him all 7 of those points. He takes us inside the drive as we look at the improbable end of that 75-yard drive.
Well, watch Darrell Williams, the running back. This is called design play. Craigthorpe, the backup quarterback, is going to put the ball down and raise up and throw it. Williams is out leading the block. And Domingue, the kicker, goes from kicking a go-ahead field goal to scoring a go-ahead touchdown for LSU.
We told you the fourth quarter was going to be fun. This is craziness. The kicker caught it 3 times, and from 16 yards out gives the Tigers a touchdown lead.